Sun is up. Look at that. What a beauty. But also, what a beauty the arch is, isn't it? So I've done this wheel arch repair, made a new one, a new panel for here. I made the entire inner wheel arch, which as you can see the sun's reflecting off it. Probably won't pull focus properly on it, but you get it. Look, that's looking alright now. It's not welded in yet, but you know, profile's looking good. That's cool, isn't it? So we're getting there. And that little pile, well, that's all the stuff that cut out of it, isn't it? So it was shocking, wasn't it? But there we are. A little better. So I've moved that fabrication table out of the way so we can actually see what we got. So I've got to get a bit of distance on the front. I've got to do a bit of sorting out on the front here. So there we are, look at our little bubble. There we go. So that's quite level, isn't it, our table? But yet again, we ain't so level on the bumper mounts, are we? So, what we got? Not brilliant, is it? So we have to do something with them. If we can see that visually even. Well, we're going to have to sort them out a bit, aren't we? But, you know, we're not looking too bad. What I've noticed though, which is interesting, isn't it? Look, you see? See, look, if you look at that. How different it is. It's a bit weird, isn't it? Do you reckon they've been on the old Vino when they were building this? It does make you wonder, doesn't it? Yeah, all this effort to get it straight and true and everything, and then you find something like that. And that must be factory, mustn't it? I can't see an extra weld that's been done or mucked about with there, so I don't know. Bizarre, isn't it? The other oddity is these brackets. You know, you don't normally see them on them. Don't normally see these. I guess for fog lights or something. Would that be? Yeah, I don't know. So plenty to do, but thankfully, you know, we're literally days away from it being, you know, to a position where it can come off the old jig, which is a joy, isn't it? So, hopefully the next video, we'll be seeing it lifted off the jig. Guess I better get on with it then.